Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video because today's lineup is packed with innovation. We're showcasing 20 genuine woodworking tools that experts actually haven't seen yet in 2026. From precision cutting solutions to clever workshop accessories, these game-changing tools can improve accuracy, speed, and efficiency. Stay until the end to discover the most impressive woodworking inventions that every craftsman will want in their workshop. Flooring nailer, the Powernail L-Cleat. Flooring nailer is a trusted choice for professional hardwood flooring installation, offering specialized models for every flooring type. The 16-gauge Model 445 series excels with traditional solid hardwood, while the 18-gauge Model 5 O series is perfect for exotic, bamboo, and engineered flooring. For ultra-thin engineered planks, the 20-gauge Model 2000F delivers precise, split-free fastening. Available in pneumatic, manual, mallet-actuated, and trigger pull designs, Powernail nailers ensure fast, accurate, and durable flooring installations with professional-grade performance. Folding saw. The Rexbeti Folding Saw is a reliable and affordable cutting tool designed for camping, bushcraft, pruning, and outdoor adventures. Its hardened SK5 steel blade with aggressive Japanese-style teeth delivers fast, smooth cuts on both push and pull strokes. Available in 8-inch, 11-inch, and 14-inch sizes, it handles everything from light pruning to heavy log clearing. A dual-angle locking mechanism and non-slip rubber grip provide excellent control, comfort, and safety, making it a dependable companion for professionals and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Skew block plane, the Lee Valley Veritas. Skew block plane is a precision woodworking tool designed for flawless rabbets, end grain trimming, and fine joinery. Its 12-degree bed angle and 15-degree skewed blade create a smooth slicing action that reduces effort and minimizes tear out. Featuring a flush side blade, Norris adjuster, side set screws, and a retractable scoring spur, it delivers exceptional accuracy and clean results. Available in left and right-hand versions with premium blade steel options, it's a favorite among professional woodworkers seeking superior performance and versatility. Stair tread jig. The Marshalltown stair tread jig is a practical layout tool that makes fitting stair treads fast and accurate. Its adjustable template ends lock onto a standard board, allowing you to capture the exact width and angles of uneven stair openings. Heavy-duty clamping knobs keep measurements secure, while built-in rulers provide quick reference with 1/8 inch increments. Ideal for remodeling, flooring, and finished carpentry, this jig helps reduce measuring errors, minimize material waste, and produce perfectly fitted stair treads every time. Plank cutter. The Roberts 8-inch laminate and vinyl plank cutter, Model 10-35, is a fast, dust-free solution for cutting laminate and vinyl flooring indoors. Its heavy-duty blunt carbon steel blade cleanly shears planks without creating noise or airborne dust, making installation cleaner and more convenient. The 26-inch high-leverage handle ensures effortless cutting, while the adjustable V-support keeps planks stable for accurate results. Ideal for end cuts on laminate up to 10 mm and vinyl planks up to 4 mm thick. Miter saw, the Flex 24V. Brushless dual bevel sliding. Miter saw delivers corded level performance with cordless convenience for professional carpentry and remodeling. Its powerful brushless motor, fast shift front bevel lever, and LED shadow line system provide fast, precise, and accurate cuts. The hybrid AC/DC capability lets you switch between battery and wall power for extended runtime. With dual bevel cutting, one-handed blade changes, and up to 630 crosscuts per charge, this saw is built for demanding job site productivity and exceptional cutting performance. Clamp Kit. The Milescraft Square. Clamp Kit, Model 4012, is a versatile woodworking jig that simplifies accurate 90-degree assemblies. It includes an 8-inch clamp square, 2 quick-adjust track clamps, and 2 clamp supports to keep workpieces perfectly aligned. Patented dovetail tracks, bar clamp notches, and non-slip TPE pads provide secure, damage-free clamping during assembly. Ideal for cabinets, drawers, picture frames, and shelving. This kit acts like an extra pair of hands, helping woodworkers achieve precise, square joints with greater speed and confidence. Template Tool. The Sunlfprod Stair Tread. Template Tool is a precision measuring jig built for accurately fitting stair treads, risers, shelving, and other custom panels. Constructed from durable 4mm CNC machined anodized aluminum, it features a modular extension system that adjusts to various stair widths. Dual solid nut locking mechanisms keep measurements secure, while integrated flipstops ensure consistent layout alignment. With 360-degree adjustable wings and laser-etched markings, this versatile template delivers precise, repeatable results for professional carpenters, remodelers, and DIY woodworking projects.
Woodpeckers Iron Grip Small Parts Holder. The Woodpeckers Iron Grip Small Parts Holder is a precision-engineered solution for routing small workpieces safely and accurately. Unlike standard holders with plastic jaws and weak screws, this tool features robust aircraft-grade aluminum jaws and a heavy-duty Acme threaded stainless steel vice screw, delivering unmatched holding power. Its innovative design includes a fence guide similar to the coping sled, allowing use beyond bearing-guided bits for cutting rabbets, dados, grooves, tenons, and half-lap joints. With an extended clamping capacity of up to 10.5 inches, it redefines what qualifies as small parts. Durable, versatile, and secure, it's an essential upgrade for every woodworking shop. RYOBI 1 Plus HP 18V, brushless cordless, 7 1/4 inch circular saw. The RYOBI 1 Plus HP 18 Volt brushless 7 1/4 inch circular saw is engineered for maximum performance, offering 3 times faster cutting and up to 370 cuts per charge. Powered by RYOBI's advanced 1 Plus HP technology, it combines brushless motors, intelligent electronics, and high-performance lithium batteries to deliver unmatched power, runtime, and durability. Ideal for heavy-duty tasks, this saw is built to tackle tough jobs with precision and efficiency. Enhance your setup with RYOBI's wide range of accessories, including blades, bits, sandpaper, and more to complete every project. Sakaplus Thin Rip Jig Table Saw Jig Guide. The Sakaplus Thin Rip Jig Table Saw Jig Guide, $26.99, is a must-have woodworking accessory designed for precision and safety. Built from premium CNC machined anodized aluminum, it offers strength, durability, and corrosion resistance while eliminating vibration for smoother cuts. Compatible with standard T-slot tables, it works with table saws, router tables, and band saws. Its wide telescoping range, 2 inches to 8.5 inches, and dual imperial/metric scales allow accurate adjustments, while the reinforced T-bar ensures stability. Delivering laser-sharp 1/32 inch precision, it minimizes material waste and guarantees professional results. With tool-free quick adjustments, this jig saves time, making it perfect for fine woodworking and cabinetry projects. Bosch GKF18V-25PL14 18 Psalm Brushless Colt Palm Router Kit. The Bosch GKF18V-25PL1418 V Brushless Colt Palm Router Kit is engineered for precision, power and portability, making it an essential tool for woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts alike. Featuring an efficient brushless motor, it delivers up to 1.39 peak horsepower, with speeds ranging from 10,000 to 30,000 RPM, ensuring smooth and powerful cuts in a variety of applications. Its compact, ergonomic design provides comfort with both high and low gripping options for better control in any position. Quick tool-free bit changes are made possible with the flip and release spindle lock lever, while dual vacuum adapters and a chip shield improve dust management. LEADALLWAY 7-in-1 Workbench Folding. The LEADALLWAY 7-in-1 Folding workbench is a versatile tool designed for multiple tasks, including use as a workbench, sawhorse, scaffold, platform, car creeper, dolly and hand truck. With a load capacity of 550 pounds in scaffold and platform mode and 330 pounds in other modes, it delivers strong performance for professional and DIY needs. Its ultra-stable triangular design, supported by heavy-duty aluminum legs and a steel frame, ensures reliability. The adjustable height ranges from 20.47 to 30.7 inches for flexibility. Easy to fold, store and carry. This multi-purpose bench arrives pre-assembled for quick setup and convenient use anywhere. T-shaped Carpenter Layout Scriber with fine tuning. The T-shaped Carpenter Layout Scriber with fine tuning is a versatile woodworking tool designed for precision and ease of use. Built with durable aluminum alloy and finished with anodizing for long-term resilience, it features laser-engraved metric and imperial scales for accurate readings. Its sliding T-shaped head supports both internal and external measurements, while a fine-tuning brass screw ensures exact adjustments. With smooth sliding action, ergonomic design, and lightweight portability, it's ideal for in-shop or on-site projects. Perfect for marking, measuring, and slotting. This tool combines multiple functions into one, making it an essential companion for carpenters and DIY enthusiasts alike. Makita 40V Max X GT Brushless, Cordless, 6-inch Random Orbit Sander. The Makita 40V Max X GT Brushless Cordless 6-inch Random Orbit Sander GOB01 delivers powerful cordless performance for high-demand applications. With up to 40% more power than pneumatic sanders, it offers variable speeds from 6,000 to 10,000 OPM and a 3/16-inch orbit diameter for smooth, swirl-free finishes. Its ultra-low profile and ergonomic design reduce operator fatigue with 41% less vibration. The through-the-pad dust collection system and AWS Bluetooth compatibility ensure a cleaner, more efficient workspace. Powered by the advanced 40V X GT system, this sander combines brushless motor technology, intelligent digital communication, and rugged durability to outperform and outlast traditional sanding tools. G-Sharp Edge Chisel Sharpener. The G-Sharp Edge Chisel Sharpener is a versatile, portable and safe sharpening system designed for chisels and plane blades ranging from 3mm to 86mm wide. Built from durable ABS and acetyl plastic, it offers adjustable angles from 23 degrees to 90 degrees for precision sharpening. Its replaceable diamond hones, held securely by magnets, enable a progressive sharpening process from coarse to extra fine. A backing off tool ensures flatness and burr removal, while the blade spacer provides secure positioning. With a static blade design for safer use, this sharpener delivers consistent razor-sharp edges every time, ideal for woodworkers seeking accuracy, efficiency, and long-lasting results. Wen 15 amp 13-inch Spiral Benchtop Thickness Planer. The Wen 15 amp 13-inch Spiral Benchtop Thickness Planer delivers professional-grade precision for woodworking projects. Equipped with a spiral cutter head featuring 26 staggered and rotatable HSS blades, it ensures a smooth and consistent finish with every pass. The powerful 15 amp motor produces 10,000 RPM, feeding boards at a rate of 26 feet per minute for efficient material removal. An onboard material removal gauge helps users monitor cutting depth for greater accuracy and control. Capable of planing boards up to 6 inches thick and 13 inches wide, this compact yet robust planer is perfect for hobbyists and professionals seeking reliable performance. Company Japanese Flush Cut Saw. The Temple Tool Company. Japanese Flush Cut Saw is a precision woodworking tool designed for clean, flush trimming tasks. Featuring a 150mm double-edged pull blade crafted from premium Japanese steel, it delivers exceptional sharpness and durability. Its thin, narrow curved blade with non-set teeth ensures smooth, flat cuts without scratching surfaces. One side offers finer teeth for delicate softwoods, while the other provides coarser teeth for harder woods and more aggressive cuts. The saw's handcrafted beechwood handle, accented with brass fittings, offers comfort and balance. Ideal for trimming dowels, pegs, and joinery, this pull saw combines efficiency, precision, and lasting performance. Swanson Speed Square Pro 7. The Swanson Speed Square Pro 7 is the biggest upgrade to the iconic Speed Square in nearly a century, bringing unmatched precision and convenience to every project. With a 2 times longer scribe bar featuring 1/8 inch increments, beveled edges for tighter top cut measurements, and an easy to see marking system, this tool sets a new standard for layout accuracy. Its 1.5 inch edge perfectly matches 2x material, allowing you to mark both sides of studs with ease. Additional features like the 22.5 degree angle, 5-inch diamond callout for 2x6 work, and dual marking edges make it a versatile must-have. Proudly made in the USA. Hardell Digital Angle Finder. The Hardell Digital Angle Finder is a high-precision tool designed for woodworking, construction, and DIY projects. With 0.1 degree resolution and plus or minus 0.1 degree accuracy at 0 degrees per 90 degrees. It delivers reliable performance even after a 1 meter drop, while the built-in temperature sensor ensures stability across minus 10 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. Its V-groove magnetic base securely attaches to ferrous surfaces for hands-free use, and dual-axis measurement allows for simultaneous angle checks on 2 planes. The durable aluminum alloy body, backlit auto-rotating LCD display, and convenient hold function make it easy to operate in any environment, perfect for professionals and hobbyists seeking precision and durability